If Discord is showing error code 2015, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through a few simple fixes that can solve the problem quickly. This issue can happen because of corrupted cache files, a background process that didn't close properly, or even a graphics setting inside Discord itself. So in this tutorial, we're going to go step by step and fix it the right way. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, open Discord and click the gear icon in the bottom left corner to open user settings. Once you're inside settings, scroll down on the left side and find the advanced section. In advanced, look for hardware acceleration. This feature helps Discord use your graphics card for smoother performance, but sometimes it can cause errors like this one. Go ahead and toggle hardware acceleration off first. After that, turn it back on again. If Discord asks you to restart, allow it to restart so the change can take effect. This simple toggle can refresh how Discord is using your system and may fix the error immediately. If the problem is still there, the next thing to do is restart Discord completely. Don't just close the window and assume it's shut down, because Discord often keeps running in the background. To make sure it's fully closed, right-click the taskbar and open Task Manager, or press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard. In Task Manager, look for any Discord-related processes. You may see Discord itself or related background tasks. Click each one, then choose End Task. Once every Discord process is fully closed, reopen Discord and check if error code 2015 is gone. A clean restart like this can clear temporary glitches that are causing the app to misbehave. If you're still seeing the error, the next fix is to clear Discord's cache. Cache files are temporary files that help Discord load faster, but if they become corrupted, they can trigger all kinds of issues. To clear them, press Windows and R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog. Type %appdata% and press Enter. This will open the appdata roaming folder. Find the folder named Discord and delete it. Don't worry, this will not delete your account or your server list, it only removes cached local files. After that, go back to the Run box again, type %localappdata% and press Enter. In that folder, also find the Discord folder and delete it as well. Once both folders are removed, restart your computer if possible, then open Discord again and sign back in. Discord will rebuild fresh cache files automatically, and that often solves error code 2015 for good. If needed, you can repeat the hardware acceleration step after clearing cache, but in most cases, these steps should get Discord working again. So just to recap, toggle hardware acceleration, fully restart Discord using Task Manager, and then clear both the appdata and local appdata Discord folders. These are the most effective fixes when Discord error code 2015 appears. If this tutorial helped you, please hit like and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.